Hi, I'm Max Lowery, author of The 2 Meal Day, and today I'm going to show you how to perform the perfect press up. A press up should be the foundation of any effective bodyweight strength training program, and that's for guys and girls. Unfortunately, it's something I see done incorrectly all the time. Guys sagging their backs, doing really inefficient press ups, but also girls have a habit of doing press ups on your knees, and if you're doing them on your knees, you're never ever going to be able to do full press ups. I'm going to show you 3 exercise progressions that are going to allow you to perform that perfect press up. Firstly, let me show you what a press up should look like. Full range of motion, back isn't sagging at all. Nice and strong at the top, engaging your abs on your tiptoes. Okay, but guys in particular, you'll see in the gym doing it like this. Okay, which is decreasing the range of motion, which makes it easier, but also there's no ab activation, no core strengthening benefits there at all. If done correctly, you're going to strengthen your entire core as well as your entire upper body. First exercise in your progression list is an incline press up. So you're going to need something raised that you can rest your hands on, and this is just going to make it slightly easier. But it's really important that you still do full range of motion. Okay, so get a nice strong core position, make sure your back isn't sagged, and the aim is to get your chest onto this box, like so. In time with the breath, so you inhale as you go down, exhale up. Okay, it's really important that you get that full range of motion, because then you're training the nervous system to recruit those muscle fibers in that position. Extend those arms, full range of motion. Really do get that extension, because that way you're training the elbow, socket and joint as well. Second exercise for your progression are negatives or eccentrics. This means that you're lowering yourself as slowly as possible and then getting back up in any way you can. This is really important because you're going to train the nervous system to lower yourself all the way down, and that's really important. Okay, so get into a really strong press up position. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core, and then as slowly as possible, say 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees, lift yourself up, and again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Above all, you want to make sure that your chest is going down first, okay? So I don't want to see this happening. 10, 9, 8, 7, okay? By keeping your core and your hips in the right position, you're allowing full range of motion, control, and you're strengthening your core, strengthening your arms the way that you should be. As well as training the bottom position with those negatives, you also need to train the top position, so you're really strong in that plank position at the top of the press up. So that's basically what we're going to do now. It's holding yourself in a nice hollow plank, pushing yourself away from the ground, squeezing your glutes so that your weight is right on your tiptoes and you're feeling it in your core, and you're just going to hold this. And you can make this as easy or as difficult as you like by squeezing consciously all the muscles you're trying to activate. If you just relax here, it's not going to be very difficult. If you really put some pressure and squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads, you're really going to feel it a lot more, pushing yourself away from the ground. Give those 3 exercises a go, incorporate them into your strength training program. So maybe try 1 exercise in each of your workouts every week. Be consistent with them, because this can take time, and I promise you, you will end up getting that full press up. And once you have it, it's going to look so impressive, because as I already mentioned, loads of people are just doing terrible technique in the gym, and you're going to have that really strict form. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you have any specific questions about this video, head to the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want any more tips on fasting, nutrition or lifestyle, head over to 2mealday.com. I'll leave the link in the description. But thanks again for watching the video, and see you next time.